Some of the issues that we had with a large fleet spanning multiple states, multiple trucks and trailers, we had to have a way to make sure that every piece of equipment was given due diligence that it deserves and automate how our maintenance was happening in our preventative schedule. Then using TMT, we were able to accomplish that. We added in codes for oil samples. We worked with one of our oil vendors and we were able to sample at different intervals. And with the sampling, this actually helped us save money in the long run. We were able to actually use that data from our PMs to go back and say, we don't need to change our oil at X miles, we can do it even further. And when you spread that off across the entire fleet, that's a substantial amount of savings that we have. Through TMT, we've actually been able to increase the intervals of our PM schedules. Once they're completed, the system will automatically update. So then we know when the next PM is going to come around. And that's with meter data also coming into TMT, so we don't have to update that automatically as well. All of our foremen get those forms. They're able to go through, they're able to figure out if it's going to be a critical failure or if it's something where we can bring it in on the next PM and get it fixed. That helps us ensure lower downtime. General rule of thumb in the entire trucking industry, if the wheels aren't turning, you're not making money. So if we can eliminate that downtime and plan out when those PMs are going to be happening, that is a critical thing that our dispatch needs to have. We've been able to keep a pulse on all of our maintenance costs while helping keep those low and lowering the cost of ownership over the entire period of all of our units. Trimble has definitely connected us through multiple areas in the company. We've been able to network through different carriers, different vendors. It's helped us increase our productivity in our maintenance department, and it's helped us increase our efficiencies across the board. Trimble is a company that will bring together all of your needs that you have in a trucking business, everywhere from your dispatch office to your maintenance office, back to accounting, and then your safety and recruiting. It all comes together, and Trimble can provide that for you.